Well, I mean, the ability to riff is the ability to take something that's known and then just be able to extrapolate from it and to go further with it. So when you see roofing, no two roofs are ever the same. So you have to be able to understand like your basic details and how roofs are put together, and then be able to put it into a real world scenario. So you're riffing on a detail to get it, because no two base lashings are the same height. No two corners are going to be perfectly 90 degrees. In a perfect world, everything that you see on paper is what you see in the field. But we all know that is not the case. So the idea of riffing on roofing, first, it's alliteration. Everyone loves alliteration. You riff, roof. It sounds good. I think it's a good name. But I think the idea of being able to explain subtle details rather than just boilerplate out of the book, this is how it's done, so we can dive deeper into how things get done and why they're done that way.